Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lewis here with East Coast Hunting Tips. Thank you for joining me, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about a Walmart clearance special item that I got. It's my first hang-on tree stand, and I'm going to be unboxing it and going through it, and we'll see how it is. So stay tuned. This is a real tree hang-on stand that I got for Walmart for 40 bucks. It was on clearance, and this is the first hang-on tree stand that I've ever owned. I've always used climbing stands, so we're gonna get right into it here and open it up. I also bought a box of sectional climbing sticks here too. I actually bought 2 boxes because those were on clearance for $15 a box. So I got 2 boxes of those. So we're gonna check those out as well. Now some basic information here that's on the box. The seat platform, it's 13.25 wide by 8 inches deep. And the foot platform is 20 inches wide by 24 inches deep. And the seat height is 21 inches. And this has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. All right, so I got the box open here. So let's pull this out and see what we got going on here. Okay, this is the safety harness. Whenever you're climbing up ladder stands, you should always be wearing a harness. That's a very important safety tip. Always wear a harness because you don't want to be falling out of a tree. So let's check this out. Okay, this be the This is the harness right here. We'll save that for another video. Lots of straps that go with it. Okay, so that was the harness. Here's the seat. Realtree logo. Not sponsored or anything. But the seat, it feels pretty comfortable. I mean, we've all sat in stands and, you know, they get pretty uncomfortable at times. So, you know, it's not much for a seat. You know, something's always better than nothing. Here's the stand itself. Okay, this is definitely some solid construction here. This is going to be the bottom platform piece right here. And this is all the hardware for the seat and whatnot. So, but it seems like it's, you know, pretty durable construction. Looks like we have some safety straps here for the stand, probably straps to hook to your pack. This looks like it's a strap that goes around the tree that safely secures the stand to the tree. So all in all, not bad for 40 bucks so far. Okay, looks like we have all the hardware right here in this box, which looks like it's more ratchet straps and, you know, I would assume all the hardware that goes with it. But we'll open it up just to be sure. But that's it for the box. It's empty now. And open this box here. Okay, looks like we have some instructions. Definitely want to take a look at those before we set the stand up. And the safety manual, you know, and instructions. Here's all the hardware for the stand itself. Here's the pieces that attach to the bottom platform to the seat. Have another rope of some kind here. Some more bits and pieces that go with the stand. Set those aside. So all in all, that's pretty much it for the stand. You know, it seems pretty straightforward. It looks like it's a pretty light setup. So that's it for the stand. So now we're going to get into the climbing sticks here. Alright, so we have the box open 20 minutes later. This is probably, I'm assuming, the straps for the sticks themselves to attach to the tree. Open it up just to be sure. Okay, we also have some hardware too. Probably to attach the straps into the sticks maybe. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is all new to me. This is my first hang and hunt stand, so you know, if you're new to hunting, we're gonna learn together. But this box is all full of the straps for the sticks. You can see there, all the straps are in there. Put the bolts right back in there as well. Put these out here. So, you know, these seem pretty durable so far from what I feel. Seem like a pretty durable climbing stick, which when you're going up the tree, you're definitely going to want something that's sturdy. So these have instructions on them too, and you know, always make sure that you have the proper ropes and safety equipment when you're attaching this stuff to the tree. There's also another box in here too underneath the, let's see what's in this box. Okay, these look like the stabilizers that go against the tree. This box is full of them. At least I think that's what they are. I don't know. But we will find out together. But all in all, that pretty much sums it up. I mean, it's, you know, a pretty easy. Seems like it's going to be pretty simple to set up. So for 70 bucks, I have a pretty good start to my hunting season so far this year, and I'm going to be practicing setting this stand up. So if you would like to see that video in the future where I record my first hang and hunt with this stand, then if you want to subscribe to the channel, you'll see that in the future, and you can join me on my hang and hunt adventures up on the state land. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video, and we'll see you next time.